Hey guys, today we're gonna install Metamask and add the Binance chain to Metamask. So first you go to Metamask, the website metamask.io, click download for Chrome and add its extension to your Chrome. Here we go. Obviously Metamask is a wallet that is used a lot. Make sure once you install it to write down your private key of the wallet. I'm going to show you how to find the private key in your wallet as well, but it's important to never lose it because MetaMask occasionally doesn't load and then you have to reinstall it. And if you have funds in your MetaMask without using the private key while installing the new MetaMask, you might lose all your funds. So we're going to prevent that by saving the private key. So now it's opening, onboarding. Let's create a new wallet. Let's take a good password. Here we go. So I understand that MetaMask cannot recover the password for me. So this is important. Save it for yourself. Never lose it. Because once you lose it, your funds are gone. Let's wait a second. Yeah, we can secure the wallet. Copy. There we go. Next one. Third one is culture. Well, MetaMask is installed. Okay, to install the Binance chain, we're gonna see if it works here, if it's added already. The main network is always Ethereum, but we want to add the Binance chain as well so we can look up the coins in our wallet. So let's see. Let's add Binance chain. Here we go. Approve. Network added successfully. There you go. And then in your wallet you can switch to the Binance chain. Got it. And then you will find all your Binance tokens in here. If you don't have a token, or if it doesn't show you the tokens that you're looking for, you can import tokens by adding a token address, token symbol as a custom token. So let's say you joined a new ICO, a new cryptocurrency, then simply click on import tokens, add custom token address. Let's find, we want to add okay, now that we installed Binance Chain, we might want to import tokens here. Let's say you're working on the Binance Chain and you want to import Floki Moon or WikiCat, WeedX token, Baby Dogecoin. Let's go for Floki Mooney. This is the token address here, right here. Second, click on the contract. Yeah. We copy this, Flokim, and there it is. Obviously, I don't have any Flokims, but this is as simple as can get. You go here, copy the address of the contract, not a wallet address. Always look at the contract address, and then you can import basically any coin that you want to your Metamask wallet. Your Metamask is also easy in use to connect with sites like PooChart, PooCoin charts. So, for example, you have a decent amount of Flokims. Then you simply connect it, and you will see here your balance with PooCoin, or your total value of your wallet. It's easy, and it makes it easy to understand, easy to navigate in the crypto sphere when you connect your wallet. You can also add the MetaMask to your phone, to your mobile. Let me show you how you do that. To install MetaMask on your wallet, simply go to your Play Store of Google Play or your Apple Store and type in MetaMask. There it is. Click here and hit the install button. Let's wait for it to install. Doom, 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 doom. Click on open. Now here it says welcome to MetaMask. Install the application to our mobile phone. Simply click on continue. Wallet setup. Import an existing wallet or create a new one. Import using secret recovery phrase. That's what we're going to use if we haven't already done it before. Simply give you the same message. Secret recovery phrase should be this. There it is. And then security checks, yes. And now to double check, yeah, thanks. Now this is where you can see your NFT collections. What you see is the Binance chain hasn't been added yet. So here we go. Proof, switch to network. And then we can start adding the tokens as we did before. This is a bit easier to use on mobile phone. Let's say we want to use Floki, we simply add Floki. If we have a custom token as the Floki Mooney I added before, then we need to import tokens, custom token. We need the address, like copy the address quick. And it takes the symbol automatically import. And there it is. So that's how you add custom tokens, existing tokens, and switch chains. So whenever somebody asks, hey, can I send you BNB to your MetaMask and you want to receive it or you want to Ethereum, Simply click here, switch between Ethereum, BNB, or whatever network. I think they have Polygon as well. Add whatever network you're working with to your Metamask wallet. And that's it. That's how you can use it. Let's say you have BNB in your wallet on Binance and you want to send it to your personal wallet, your Metamask. Simply click on receive. This is your address. Scan it. Send some BNB there, and that's it. And then you should see some BNB coming up in your wallet. Make sure just to use the correct chain. And if you want to use Ethereum, you have switched to mainnet. Yes, got it. Same goes here. NFTs, receive, import tokens. It's exactly the same. So it's very easy to use, very easy to understand, very easy to switch between networks if you have MetaMask. And you can use it in your browser, in your Chrome browser, and on your mobile phone. Sync wallets, so it's the same in your browser as well as in your wallet on your mobile phone. So I hope you like my introduction to MetaMask wallet and how to install the different chains or custom tokens. Stay tuned for more how-tos in the future. Thank you for watching.